Want to save more money without feeling broke? Here are 7 daily habits that can grow your savings fast. Habit 1. Avoid impulse buying. Before every purchase, wait 24 hours. Most impulse buys lose their appeal after a day. Habit 2. Track every dollar. Use free apps to track your spending. Knowing where your money goes helps stop unnecessary leaks. Habit 3. Cook at home. Skip expensive takeout. Cooking at home can save hundreds every month. Habit 4. Cancel unused subscriptions. Check your bank statements for subscriptions you forgot. Cancel what you don't use. Habit 5. Pay yourself first. Set aside 10% of your income as soon as you get paid. Treat savings like a bill you must pay. Habit 6 is shop smart. Use cashback apps and coupons. Small discounts add up to big savings over time. Habit 7. Avoid debt traps. Only use credit cards if you can pay in full each month. Interest can eat your savings alive. Money growth animation. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your savings grow. Which habit will you try first?